This week at Forest School, we made our own charcoal. First, we got our fire going and headed into the woods to get the perfect sticks. Some thick, some thin, some short, some long. We broke a few with our hands and feet, feeling the strength and the snap of the wood, and then used saws and clippers to cut the rest into 4 different sizes. Everyone worked together, taking turns, practicing patience, and using real tools with care and confidence. Once the pieces were ready, we packed them into metal tins and placed them onto the fire. Then came the waiting and watching as the flames danced and the smoke curled. And finally, the big reveal. When we lifted the lids, we found beautiful, smooth, black sticks of charcoal, perfectly cooked by the fire we built ourselves. And the best part, we got to use them right away for an observational drawing lesson, sketching with the very charcoal we created. We are so proud of how these turned out.